10 seconds.
Don't let your knees go over your toes. Okay, I still see some people doing that. So always focus on pushing your hips back first and your knees go forward. Okay? Okay, so that's 12. Nice. Today, you guys already know if you're not struggling on the last 2 reps, the weight is okay. You want to make sure you find a weight when you're struggling on the last 2 reps. Got it? Okay, so we got 12 back squats. Then we're going to go straight into single leg deadlift. A kettlebell or a dumbbell. Okay, if you're using a kettlebell, we're going to go B stance. B stance is here. You want to line up your opposite leg with your back heel. So it should look like this. Let me see everyone set up their feet like this. Okay? This is a B stance squat. Stance, not squat. We got deadlifts. Okay? Deadlifts, always remember, it's bowing to your sensei. It's not a squat. Okay? Whenever I say deadlift, it's a good morning, okay? So same thing, we're gonna drive our hips back as far as possible, slight bend in our knee. It's gonna look like this. Drive your hips back, and then stand tall. Then drive your hips back, and stand tall. Keep that back leg to the side. Then you're gonna switch, and do 10 on your other side, okay? Single leg deadlifts. Don't worry, you can grab your kettlebells after this. Then what's next? Bulgarian split squat, right here. So everyone's going to need a bench. Okay, we all can share, so no worries if there's not enough. Jump on somebody else's bench. Okay, how do you set up for the Bulgarian split squat? You're going to put your butt at the edge of the bench. You're going to put your feet out like this on your heels. Okay. Then you're going to stand forward and foot up. Got it? That's how you set up for the Bulgarian split squat. So again, put your butt at the edge of the seat, up on your heels. You're going to step one foot back, leave your other foot there, stand up, and put your foot up. Got it? And now you want to keep your core nice and tight, keep your chin tucked. We're going to drive our hips back and drive up your hips. Drive your hips back, drive up to your heel. If doing it with weight is too hard, you can do it without weight. If you're holding a kettlebell, it's going to be here. You're going to hold it on the outside of your butt. Here. I like to use a dumbbell when I get more range of motion. Okay, but you can either use a kettlebell or a dumbbell. Here. I would say for the Bulgarian split squats, use a dumbbell. Here, drive your hips back. Don't let your knee go over your toes. Got it? Here, drive up to your heel, and then send it inside. If going on the bench is too hard, here's a modification. Step back, just down into your heels, drive up through the heel. Down into the heel, drive up through the heel. You don't have to step forward, okay? Questions on those ones? No? And then last one. Oh, flat down. Okay, it's like a reverse jumping jack. Okay, but rather than hands up in the air, your weight's going to the ground. So you start here, center, open to the floor, squat. That's 1. 2. So you need to tap the ground 12 times. Questions? Nope? Okay, grab your weights. Your goal is to get 4 to 5 rounds in. This morning, everyone got 4 rounds in. 1 person got 5.
All right, 1 rep. Mikami 60 plus, event 4, 1 rep, 275. That's a PR for me. Okay, 25-pound plate. £45 plate. £45 plate, 45-pound bar.
Okay, we got the tens. Okay, I'm on you. Go, feet shoulder width apart. Wider. Okay, go.
Good.
Perfect. Nice. 12 of those. Okay.
Did it focus? Okay. I guess we're doing moving it. Alright, close. It's a 25-pound plate. £45 plate. £45 plate. All right. So I got 1 rep. I haven't done 275 in a long time, but I wanted to see if I could do it. Thank you for the opportunity, or else I would have never tried it. Alrighty. Event 4.